check on Catboy. He might be scared. It might be a tornado with lightning. Why is it so windy? I better close my windows. Oh no, there's a tornado. I gotta go somewhere safe. Catboy's house. Good idea. Gekko, what are you doing here? There's a big tornado coming. We gotta take cover. It's only half a mile away. Oh no, and now it's a quarter mile. Oh no, what do we do? I think it's time to be a hero. PJ Masks should be heroes, but not yet now. Time to duck and cover. What's going to happen to my bike? We'll hold on to it. I hear the tornado! The house is shaking! Oh no, the roof is gone! Oh no! I can't believe this! No! The roof is gone! It's really gone! Oh no, and I don't have house insurance. At least you still have your bike. Oh God, I have my bike, so I can't find the roof. Let's find my roof. Look, there's the shingles from your roof. But that is not all of it. We need to find the rest of your roof. Hopefully it didn't go far. No roof here. No roof here either. Are we ever going to find my roof? Oh wait, there it is. Yay! Gekko, can I use your super slings and put a roof back on? Yep, I'm still on. Yeah, this is going to be as good as new. I guess you do have insurance. Gekko insurance. The tornado is scary. Lay down in the comment section if you've ever been in a tornado. Also remember to like and subscribe and watch more videos by AllToyCollector. Bye and have a great day in a tornado. Hey Catboy, do you want to play tic-tac-toe? Yeah! Whoever wins gets to keep this really cool Gekko and Catboy and Owlette blind bag. I'll be yours! I'll be X's. Let's let Catboy go first. Miss, do another. Miss. Yeah, you gotta know. Am I good at this? Now it's my turn. Woohoo! I need to get free and go. Oops. You gave me a point. Oh man! I almost won. Catboy. Using super strength. You just gave me another axe? Good! Goody. I might get 3 in a row. Oh! This is hard. Yes! Oh boy. I need to block him. No! You gave me a point. You could win like 8 different ways. And oh, I won! I don't have any X's. Who did that? Quiet! Take down! Oh, yeah! I get open slimes! Yay! I get open slimes. Gekko! Gekko! I won Gekko that lost today. Wow, that was really cool. It is. I was a cowboy. Gekko. Do you like this video? Write it down in the comment section. Also remember to like and subscribe. Bye! The food truck is now open! Gekko needs money for college in like 47 years. No one's coming. I guess I'll do dishes. This is a really cool job, but the only bad thing is this car actually doesn't drive. Look, no engine. I still don't have a good Catboy car. Maybe I could get one today. Hey, what is this? Hey, a customer. What would you like to order? One pizza. One pizza? I will want one Catboy car. This is all mine. No, it isn't. This is what I always wanted. And this wheel, guys. This isn't a Catboy car. This is a food truck. Oh, the pizza's done. A food truck will be a good Catboy mobile. I'm going to take it. Pizza, almost ready. Who made what are you doing here? I'm just checking on the pizza. Good, because it's already done. Here you go. Thank you. My Lego loves the pizza. But we want the pizza to go. Hey. Vroom, vroom. How does this drive? It doesn't drive. Catboy, your Lego doesn't want it to go. Oh no, it's tipping. I don't want this color. It's junk. I'm out of here. I'm going to go get a new car. Alright. Oh, that silly Catboy. He ruined my food truck. And the food. Here goes my dreams of college. Hey, I know. I'll open a battery shop. What do you think I should sell? Food or Catboy toys? Remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye! Wow! Ow!
Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the AllToyCollector channel with Toby and Wyatt, and today we are going to play with this really cool Playfoam.
Yay!
This stuff looks like a lot of fun and you can be so creative. And today I have my PJ Masks figures and we are going to make some cars, and I guess Toby, you want to make a house, right? And a house for our PJ Masks. And I'm filming right here on my table because it says right here that there's no mess and it won't stick to carpet, car seats, or furniture. So that's cool. Well, why don't we try it out?
Wow!
Whoa, holy cow. This comes with so much. This is the school set. It comes with 16 different bags of foam and 8 different colors. And half of them are sparkly. It's pretty cool. Wow, this is awesome.
Look at that.
This is so fun. And let's see if it does really stick to the furniture or not. Oh, that's cool. And it didn't stay sticky. So this stuff's still sticky. And whoa, easy to mold. But it really doesn't stick or feel sticky to the furniture. That's great. Well, let's start creating. I think I'm going to make a car for Gekko. And this is a green sparkly and this one's not. That's pretty cool. So this is what Gekko's car looks like. I don't know if I can make something exactly like that, but I'm going to try. So first let me make the frame.
This is so red.
Wow, it's so cool.
Sticky. This isn't ready now. I'm making a hairstyle for Romeo.
That's funny. I like that. Maybe you can make a different outfit for him. So there's the first part of the car, and what does Romeo have over here? Oh no! What happened there? Is that like sticky splats or something? Who's inside? Oh, it's Catboy! Oh no! Okay, so now I'm going to form, Gekko's car kind of has some treaded wheels, so I'm just going to make them this shape. And oh! So Wyatt made a litter box for Catboy. That's funny.
It looks like Catboy needs a haircut.
Yeah, it looks like he does need a haircut. And let me put Gekko in there. And oh, this is big enough we can place more PJ Masks inside. Oh, that's so cute. Now we need a Gekko tail and some headlights. And Toby, what have you made? Toby's made like 10 different things already. Oh, that's a car? You can make some wheels?
In it.
What? Who's in there? Night Ninja? Cool. Okay, so now for my car, I need some headlights. So for Gekko's car, it has 3 different headlights. It's smaller to bigger. Next, I can make some wings to go over the wheels. Place it right there. Awesome. I'll need to make another one, so I just grab some more. Ah!
That's a headlight.
Oh, then there's Dino. He got a headlight. Okay, so there we go. Another wing. This is looking really cool. And Toby, let's see your Night Ninja car. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's fun. Now let me form Gekko's tail for his car. Okay, there we go. Let's add that. And it forms pretty easy. That's really cool. So Toby, what is this? Is that the windshield?
Yeah.
That looks cool. And now I'm going to add some spikes to this. So I'm just going to roll this out. That looks great. So I think I'm done making Gekko's really awesome Gekko car. And Toby, it looks like he's almost done. Dino, it looks like you made a couch. That looks great. Let's put some PJ Masks on that. Oh, that's great. Well, I love the hair that Wyatt made, so I'm going to make something for Owlette. Well, I like how easy it is to form anything out of this Playfoam, so you can just be so creative. And right now, I think I'm going to make some sunglasses for Owlette. So I need probably a little bit less. I think I made too big of sunglasses. So there's one piece and another. You can squish them down real flat, and then I'll just need the extensions. Okay, I think that looks good. Now we'll place them on Owlette. Here we go. That looks pretty cool. Kind of looks like bubbles on her face. Maybe Owlette looks better with a skirt.
I'm done.
Oh wow, Toby's done making his car. I like the headlights and the windshield. Oh, lots of windows. Whoa, that looks awesome. Now I think I'll make Owlette's car, and I'm wondering if I should just use this huge block. It's actually glittery too. Do you see that? That's really cool. I think Owlette would like that. So I'm just kind of squishing it and forming it. And then hopefully it looks like a cool car. So this is what Owlette's car looks like. So the most important thing to make it look like Owlette's car is having some really big headlights. I'm not even talking because, okay. And Wyatt made something else. Actually, Romeo did. He invented a shark. And let's see what's inside the shark. I think there's a surprise. Oh, yep. There's Catboy. I love Romeo's hairstyle, so why don't we make something for Catboy? Something that would really stand out. You can make some pink. That'd be pretty funny. You can make it some pink hair, like a pink wig. It kind of looks like a clown. And then something for Gekko. So I'm just adding some extra spikes to Gekko. It kind of looks like a mohawk. So mohawk hairstyle. That looks cool. And then what is Toby making? Holy cow, I don't know what that is. And wow, Toby, that's a lot of hair for Owlette. Kind of looks like a cape.
Here's my towel, but we're not done.
So here's a card Dino made so far. And there's headlights, and yellow wheels, and the blue car for Luna Girl. Oh yeah, and then we turn it around. Oh, boom, 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 boom. And there are some taillights. Awesome. And then there's a windshield, and Dino's going to put a roof on too. So then we put a roof on, and Luna Girl is still inside. There she is. Perfect.
Look over here, Mom. I made a shoe. Isn't that cool?
Wow, that is super creative, Toby. And it looks like Dino wants to make a shoe too. Well, AllToyCollector fans, I was wondering, what was your favorite thing that we made out of this fun Playfoam? Did you like Gekko's card? I thought Gekko's card looked really cool. Or Owlette's car/plane. Or what Toby made for Night Ninja. Or even what we did with Romeo and his hairdo. Well, I rate this Playfoam a 5 out of 5, and I definitely recommend this set because you have so much Playfoam. This is perfect for schools even, because you can have lots of people playing with this all at once. Well, thanks for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe. Goodbye and have a great day.